Hey there! Today we're going to discuss the function pointers as arguments in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see here, I have this file created a while ago, ex61 underscore function pointers as arguments. So another way to use a function pointer is to pass it as an argument to another function. A function pointer used as an argument is sometimes referred to as a callback function, because the receiving function calls it back. The qsort, in this example, the qsort function is the stdlibrary.h header file, uses this technique. Quicksort is a widely used algorithm for sorting an array. To implement the sort in your program, you need only include the stdlibrary file and then write a compare function that matches the declaration used in the qsort or the quicksort. So as you can see in this example, we have the void function and the qsort, void and then base, the size num. So to break down the qsort declaration, we have this one, the void pointer base, or the void pointer base, or a void pointer to the array. The size t, num, the number of elements in the array, and next argument is the size t width, which is the size of an element, and then the int function. So the int pointer compare constant void pointer on this line. A function pointer which has two arguments and returns 0 when the arguments have the same value or is less than 0, when arg or arg1 comes before arg or arg2 and is greater than 0 when arg1 or arg1 comes after arg2 or arg2. So the actual implementation of the compare function is really up to you. It doesn't even need to have this name compare. You have the opportunity to designate a sort from high to low or low to high, or if any of an array contains structure elements, so you can compare member values. So to better understand this, I'm going to show it to you by making a short program. So let's go ahead and remove this here first, and let's add the library in here. So in this program, the following program sorts an array of ints from low to high using the qsort function. So let's go ahead and run this. So select the file, compile and run. And as you can see, 4, 19, 23, 52 and 56. So it sorts our array. So as you can see, we initialize it randomly, starting from the highest to lowest, or it has a random number right after we call the function and make some changes. When we run it, it's already sorted out. So starting from low to highest. So we use the function name in the qsort call because a function name acts as a pointer. So again, in this program, the actual implementation of the compare function is up to you. It doesn't even need to have the name compare. You have the opportunity to designate a sort from high to low or low to high, or if an array contains structure elements, you can compare member values. So this program sorts an array of ints from low to high using the qsort function. And that's it for this video. And before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you on this tab, and I want you to answer this question. A function pointer used as an argument is sometimes referred to as Is it a call to function, or a callback function, or is it a callout function? And if you already know the answer, please put it in the comment section below. Thank you.